Hey YouTubers, welcome to my how to install channel. Alright, so I'm gonna paint this section here, my tiling, get my tiling finished. So I had some time, so I had time to finish this side here, so it's a nice gray. I put this gray accent through the middle. I did all the edges, and that's it. I had to clean, I had to kind of protect this from standing on it and stuff. But yeah, I got it cleaned out, ready to grout tomorrow. And I'll take it a step back here so you guys can see what it looks like. So you got the towel rack that's going to go here. I completely enclosed that with so it's just easier to clean. And then where the toilet's going to go there, I put I put a backsplash there, so in case there's an accident or something, it's easy to wash. So I got that ready to go. I'm going to install the shower. Hopefully, I'm going to see when I get home tomorrow. I'm going to do some grouting, and I'm going to start on this side here and grout that way. But the ceramic is done in the bathroom, and hopefully the electrician comes. I don't know electricity, but they're going to come and get this ready for my jet tub there, and I've been very excited about. So that's the progress thus far. Crown molding was put in. I don't really do crown molding, but crown molding was put in, right? Just in there, rough, just so I could get the tiling up right. And that's it right there. That's a close look at the color here. It's really nice. It's hard to get the color on camera here so you could actually see the fogginess in the glass, because with the naked eye it looks good, but on the film it just doesn't. Just doesn't look. You can't really see it on the camera for some reason. But let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Thanks for watching.